Does it have spare parts for the gate?
I think so.
Oh, well done.
Alright, I got it.
Oh, new car! You got a brand new car! Flamethrower?
Hell yeah.
Holy fucking
Does it?
shit.
Oh, it has a winch too.
Spinning up the turret.
It's a whip. Ow.
Oh my god.
Somebody call 911. Shorty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa.
The load is hefty.
The sludge seed load.
Gotta let out some of that sludge.
John Carpenter's load is very
John Carpenter's sludge seed.
Whoa.
What a heavy load he must have had.
We can put in the car bacon nugget.
Where we going? Where we going?
Oh my god, hello.
Let's heal up.
Let's finger.
Definitely needed that.
They wouldn't say that.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
That looks really good, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
glossy. And you go down that way next.
Did you scream on your screen, dude?
Jesus Christ, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, dude, you're covered in mud.
Stop moving.
Oh no.
That's sludge.
Shit. Oh, get out, 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 get out.
Is it to roll a bomb?
Oh, Jesus.
it's
that
so
was
low.
really bad.
Words.
And then
I'm
the...
reloading.
Or who runs around the corner. Ah! Christ.
happening.
To the bait. Head to the military depot.
Time to go.
This bitch is always screaming.
Someone threw a gas tank like in front of the shotgun shot and it turns.
Oh, my butt is in my face.
What?
I saw my own butthole.
Okay, that's so scary down there. Is that like instant death? Alright.
Get over here.
Yeah.
Heal.
You guys like this noise?
It's pretty awful. That's awful.
I like it.
I can just spam it.
I tried
Yeah. Oh, it's hurting! Watch this, someone jump off the.
You're like a private rock. Oh!
If you mantle, you don't take fall damage. Oh!
crazy.
I got me with that though.
Tell me when to turn like you can.
Not getting anywhere with these things.
You won't try it. Look at you.
No?
You can get out of here. You can drive it. Go.
Go, 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 go.
Straight. I'm in your seat now. We're gonna want to go out and to the right of this one.
Yeah. Damn. Oh, shit. No, 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 no. Oh! Oh!
Fire!
Holy shit, he had the biggest ass!
Yeah, it's the same, like, type, but it's a...
Oh, I'm out of ammo. I'm running.
pull
Oh,
him down.
shit. Okay. Is there anything else?
He loves it when I throw a knife in his forehead.
I need Daniele's system, and you need to see this.
Who killed the construction workers?
Just get out.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm activating it.
All in? Let's go.
I'm dead!
Oh, bag.
Oh no! You're gonna leave me on the curb? This body.
Yeah.
Funny numbers. It's 7145.
Oh!
Oh,
what
my
happened?
God, we're all down.
They trapped? They did a trap? Oh, get in, baby!
Get it.
Oh, I didn't know you jump it.
Just scooping the body in the container.
Brick.
Get him!
They're looking at me.
Look at them all in the window. Alright, everyone, going down.
This is the vault.
Ignore all the blood. The cops are just shooting. I hear the footsteps.
I forgot about this clip. I almost choked on my Zappa mini balls. This clip almost choked on my Zappa mini balls.
What the fuck did you
I haven't. Okay, I'm ready. Oh. Oh, no!
Oh, we both had the same idea, kinda.
Similar ideas. Let's see who wins. It's
The snakes and the balloons.
Oh, you're falling in the water!
Kill them all!
Snakes everywhere! Oh, there goes one guy.
Kill them all!
There comes the army of archers.
Fire! Fire! Oh my god.
Who's left? Oh, the big guy. Oh, he's gonna fly away.
The list is still up too, huh? Fuck, that's crazy. No! My eyes! My eyes! Stabbed him 300
The list
times.
was hitting my own people. Everything's exploding. Oh no! 1v1? It's like Beyblades.
It is.
My archers are just not hitting. Come on, archers. Yes.
Archers
Yes.
versus one guy on my team who's got his arms up. Oh.
They're all floating away.
Oh shit.
Oh, they didn't bring them down.
No, they're flipping out.
One guy up there. It's too hard for him to break through, and that guy's eating all the Zeuses.
They're flipping out. Dude, the guy on the wheelbarrow just spinning around, not sure what to do, is so funny. Oh my god. King, no! Oh!
Dude, he's been eating all game.
Oh my god, he's so strong.
Go!
Shut him up! Oh my god, they have bats! They have bats! Ah, they have bats! Ah! They're sucking me in! Ah!
Oh no, your wheelbarrow's gotta get stopped.
He's invincible.
He's too
Oh
good.
my god.
How is he still going? he's cracked.
Oh my god.
How is he invincible?
Yeah.
He was going crazy. All right, ready?
Ready? Yo!
Oh!
Fire!
Oh, the wheelbarrows are attacking each other.
No, oh no! Oh no, it's Archer City now. Oh my god!
Mob is so big. Oh my gosh, bugging out.
Oh shit.
I think I'm doing better now.
Oh no, they're dying, they're dying! Carlos, no! Carlos! Hold on, grab on it! He's standing on the thing. He'll never get me alive! Oh my god!
Oh, he's in phase. Oh no.
He collided 7 dudes.
They're back right now, I don't think.
Oh, that's an Archer. Oh, he's freezing him. This guy's coming up. He's like, I'm gonna get you guys! Oh, he fell.
Oh, he slipped.
Get up, brother.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh,
Reload, reload, no!
come back. Shout out little guys with a paddle.
What are you guys doing? Stop! Where are you going? You guys are freaky.
What now?
Time to find out if the stone is
What are y'all doing? You guys okay? Ah! Okay.
I gotta cool her down. She gon' bring the